2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, driver and front passenger heated seats, power windows, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.